Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva to enhance your LinkedIn profile. First, let's explore the power of visual branding. A well-designed profile can significantly boost your professional presence, making you stand out to recruiters and connections. Canva provides an intuitive platform, allowing you to craft stunning graphics even without prior design experience. We'll cover everything from selecting the right templates to customizing your brand elements, ensuring your LinkedIn profile truly reflects your unique professional story. Your LinkedIn profile picture is often the first thing people see, so let's make it count. Start with a high-quality headshot, ideally showing you from the shoulders up. In Canva, you can easily upload your photo and use tools to adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation for a polished look. Remember to crop it to a 1:1 aspect ratio, typically around 400 by 400 pixels, ensuring it looks sharp and professional across all devices. A friendly, approachable expression is always recommended. Next, let's tackle your LinkedIn banner, a prime piece of digital real estate. This large image, with an optimal size of 1584 pixels wide by 396 pixels tall, is perfect for showcasing your industry, skills, or company. Canva offers a vast library of templates specifically designed for LinkedIn, which you can customize with your brand colors, logo, and a concise tagline. A well-designed banner reinforces your professional identity and adds a sophisticated touch to your profile. Finally, let's ensure consistency and impact. Integrate your personal brand elements, such as specific fonts and color palettes, across both your profile picture and banner. Consider adding a subtle call to action or your website URL to your banner, guiding viewers to learn more about you. Canva makes it simple to save your brand kit for future use, ensuring all your designs are cohesive. Regularly refreshing your visuals keeps your profile engaging and demonstrates your attention to detail, making a lasting impression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.